Hey everybody, welcome back. We're doing a kind of a next day update since the last one was basically our exploded gas tank over here. So I wanted to show you kind of why we were working on the car and why this actually happened. So in addition, I have a new film crew. So my son Xander and my daughter Amara have got me a mic, and they are setting up with a professional camera. So we'll check it out. We'll see how it looks, and you guys can tell me how it goes. Let's go in and check out the car. So basically what we're doing is we're doing all of the final welding on the front of the chassis. As I told you and showed you in some other updates, we were actually grafting in the OEM frame structure that we're using for the dash. So I had to make some changes. Once those changes are made, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to weld everything in, good penetrating welds, and then I'm going to dress some of the welds. Some of the welds I'm not going to worry about because I can't get to them. So this is basically what's going on. So we should have another update where I will actually show you all of the work that we've done in not only restructuring this area, but also putting in, you know, triangulation and things like that that will actually make the front end stronger. And then we'll move from the driver's side here and then do it on the passenger side. So after we get all of that structuring done, then we're back on to finishing the panels. This is one of the thresholds. I still have to final sand it and then shoot it with some clear. And, you know, just so you guys don't forget what it's all about, this is all of the pretty stuff that we're doing. So hopefully after we get all that restructuring done, we'll get those panels finished, and hopefully by this summer we'll be driving it around again. So keep your fingers crossed. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye.